guys, welcome to Dedicated. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your old faucet in your shower. Let's begin. So removing one of these, there's a set screw right over here underneath that you have to remove, and it's typically a hex key. So let's remove that. Then take a knife and cut this off. Mine just came right off, so I didn't have to. And then just slowly twist it like this and get it off. So see, there's that set screw. They had to loosen up to get it out of the pipe. Next, remove your shower head. So mine was kind of loose, I don't know why, but if you need, use a crescent wrench right here or a channel lock, but just unscrew that and then pull this out. So for the knob, or whatever this is called, take a small flathead screwdriver, and there's like a little pocket sometimes around these, sometimes on the tip. And if there isn't, it's pretty easy to just pop it off like this. Then take a drill or a Phillips screwdriver, remove this bolt, this screw right here, take this out. Then you have another screw right here and one on this side. Just like that. And then this comes off, just like this. And that's it. So just put on your new faucets and you'll be set. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time.